So simplifying is actually fairly simple. Is everybody on day 10 now?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to hope so. Even though I'm still hearing some movement with backpacks and so forth. All right. Let's say you've got... I'm trying to figure out the best way to explain this. A like term. And yes, I'm going to use stuff that's not math. And yes, I actually want you to write this in. So think of like terms as like you're putting pencils with pencils and markers with markers. We are not thinking of these as writing utensils. And the reason why I'm using pencils and markers is because sometimes that's easier for people to visualize. When you combine like terms, that means things that look the exact same. That means things with letters, the exact same letter, the exact same order of letters. It's got to be identical if you're adding letters. If it's just a simple number, you combine like you usually would in any other instance. Everybody okay with this so far? So, I'm going to have you do a couple things. First thing we're going to do is we are going to put a box around every single one of our variables, but please pay attention to what I box. I'm boxing the sign in front of it also. Does everybody have all their X's boxed? The next thing I want you to do is I want you to underline the things that are not an X. How's everybody doing so far? Simple so far? All right, now, what is 3 plus 9? Plus 5?
17.
What's negative 4 plus 7? Are they the same signs? So subtract them. What's 7 minus 4?
3.
So, and it's positive, right?
Yes.
So this becomes 17x plus 3. Because there's no actual equal sign, you don't solve it. This is your answer. All right, people, talk to me. Because we struggled on the quiz because we don't talk as much as the other classes. So talk to me. Any questions? Any concerns? Trust me when I tell you, people in here have concerns. They're just terrified to ask. Anybody have a question they think their neighbor may have? All right. Can't say I didn't try. All right, so what do I do? Okay, I have a 2y. Do I box the plus sign as well? Yes. Because that plus sign goes with that 2y. I only boxed 2 things. Do I need to box anything else? So now I'm going to underline everything else. Everybody okay with this so far? All right. So what's 2 plus 10? What's 17 minus 9? 8. Remember, if you need to count on your fingers, you don't actually have to count all the way down 9. You can count until you get to 9. Yes, I did this on purpose. Are those 2 the same signs? What's 11 minus 8? Should it be positive or negative? Negative. 11's bigger. Any questions? Because we're about to add another step and solve them. Ms. Frost, can you think of any questions they may have? I can't either. All right, so we're going to do a line down through our equal sign. We're going to combine like terms, and then we're going to rebox. And then we're going to do the inverse of either positive or plus or subtraction, and then multiply or divide. So, yep, we got more stuff to do here. All right, so I'm going to do my line. I'm going to box my variables. Do I box the subtraction sign in front of the 2x? Yes, that goes with that term. That tells me if that term is positive or negative. So now, do I have anything else that I can combine? All right, so combining my two boxes, how many x's do I now have? I'm hearing two different things. What do y'all got? Okay, how'd y'all get 6? So I'm doing 8 minus 2. That's how they got 6. All right, now how do I solve this? I already drew my line. Now what? We did this all last week. I what? I can't do that one yet. I got to do something else first. I drew my line. What's step 2? It's on the wall if you need it. Box your variable. Now what do I do? Inverse of which one? So I'm going to do add 7. Opposite signs, they zero out. I'm left with 6x is equal to 30. Now what? Divide by 6. And here's what I know. I know if we have a test on this stuff, Angel's got it. How do I know this? Because Angel just talked a whole lot. Thank you. Okay. Let's see here. Let's do the one right underneath it. So I'm going to act like I'm going to do this exact same thing I just did earlier. Draw my line. Then what do I do? I grab the sign that's right in front of my variable. That way I know it's positive or negative. Now, how many total D's do I have if I have a negative 1D and a positive 7? 6. How did he get 6? That?
You can't add them because 7 and negative D don't have the same sign.
Very good. Guys, I need somebody other than Angel and Brianna to answer these because you're about to do a whole lot of work on these. All right, now, do I have just a single number to bring down? Or do I have 2 underlines? 2? So what is 5 plus 4? 9. Is that a positive or a negative?
Positive.
Positive. All right, now what do I do? Can't do an inverse yet. I don't know what I'm inversing next to.
Box variable.
Box your variable. Now what do I do? So what is that?
Negative 9.
Now I'm going to do 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. I got 9 fingers down. That's at 15. If you need to use your fingers, use your fingers. All right, now what do I do? Divide by 6. All right. I can't leave it like this because I can guarantee you my answers aren't going to look like this. So now what do I do? Anybody ever gotten an improper fraction correct on their homework? Or did you get half off? You got to simplify. I'm going to simplify before I divide. So what do I simplify it by? Can I count by sixes to get to 15? 6, 12, 18. Nope. So what can I simplify it by? 3. I can't count by fives to count to 6. So I'm left with 5 over 2. Now what do I do? What does the fraction bar mean? Divide. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 5 divided by 2. That's how I can get 2.5 or 2.5. Questions? Anybody want to see another one? Yeah, I've seen them come here and a couple people, yeah. All right, we'll do one more. Which one do you want to do, top one or bottom one? I heard bottom first. All right. What's my first step? I've done nothing. That's not my first step. What's my first step? Draw a line. And then what's my next step? Do I box the subtraction sign in front of the 12? Yes, because that tells me if it's positive or negative. All right, are these two signs the same? Yes, so I'm going to add the 2 and keep the sign the same. All right, now what? Good, box my variable. This tells me the box is what I want on this side by itself. I know we don't love negative numbers, guys, but you do not want to deal with a 0 on that right side. Now what do I do? So I'm going to subtract 15. Are these the same signs? So same signs, add the 2, keep the sign the same. Now what do I do? By what?
15.
If I divide by 15, I'm going to end up with a negative end. Do I want that? So what do I divide by? You are correct, it is a 15, just not positive.
Negative 15.
Negative 15. 15 times what equals 60? 4. You would be correct. All right, so I'm left with n is equal to 4. Bless you. All right, your assignment is in Google Classroom already. I just haven't put in any extra stuff yet to it, so.